guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make another video out of this. I'm gonna show you how I pull wire through a set of Harley handlebars. First we're gonna go ahead and use some aircraft stainless steel lock wire. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know, maybe like 32 thousandths thick. So it's pretty strong, but not too thin, not too thick. Go ahead and just pull it through, and then we're gonna get a little piece of rope, kind of tape that on to our connectors there from the end of our twist grip sensor. You want to make sure that you do this nice so you don't damage those pin terminals, or you'll have to redo them. Okay, and then I like to do like a little loop like that. It's like a bind. I forget the name of that type of knot, but it's like where does it slip very well? Not a slip knot, but anyways, do that and then go ahead and throw some electrical tape on it. Okay, looks like that. Pretty nice and tight. Now let's go ahead and get some like tire lube, soap and water. Spray like a little bit on your expensive snap-on meter, but yeah, like that. Spray a little bit in there, shouldn't hurt. It's a Harley, right? And then just go ahead and like pull that fucker through, kinda. So just start pulling it here. It's kind of hard doing it one-handed. Fuck. You gotta kind of feed it as you pull. Okay. I don't know if that's gonna do anything, but let's see. Okay. Spray a little bit more lube. To make it a little bit easier too, you can go ahead and take off the electrical tape on your wire. Put that off to the side. Okay, and then just keep pulling. You know, spray a little bit of lube in there. Maybe hang the thing off the side so it doesn't bang around as you're pulling it through. Keep pulling. Okay, after carefully working it, there's the end. Let's go ahead and spray just a little bit more lube, help that out. Always helps to put more lube on it. Okay, and just like that, TGS is in. Wires look pretty good. Look like we jacked anything up. Let's go ahead and take a look at our terminals. Show you guys how I wrapped that. Wrapped it all the way around to the top like how you saw it. Slowly unraveling it. Boom. Tape's gone. And then all that tapes to basically protect the terminals. Boom. One set of undamaged terminals. So our last set right here. Let's go and pull those out. Alright, wires pulled through. Gonna finish this one. So Rodriguez is here.